Hello, my art viewers. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. This season is exclusively for beginners. Beginners, you can just go with Artline pencils or Camlin pencils. Every artist will do this in order to improve their flow. Draw a box where you want to draw lines. The horizontal vertical lines will really impact a lot and also play important role in improving your artwork, which can basically improve your concentration. Make sure you are holding pencil properly. Holding too far or holding too close will really be a problem. From day one itself, make sure you are holding pencil in the right position. And the better way to hold the pencil is to leave 1.5 to 2 inches gap and hold the pencil firmly. So exactly in this way. Don't place your elbow on table or chair. Please leave it free. Every artist, before they actually start the process, they'll do this as exercise. So let's make the habit of practicing daily in order to show progress in your artwork easily. So you can spend approx 5 minutes in doing this activity. You can also practice crisscross lines, so I am using these 4 directional lines. But these lines will play major role and also improves in freehand drawing. And after we are done with vertical lines, we'll go to horizontal lines. Again, make sure you are holding pencil properly. As I already suggested, you can leave 1.5 to 2 inches gap and hold the pencil. Initially, for your convenience, first draw arrows showing the directions. Whatever the directions are, top, bottom, left and right. So, in this way, you can do it without any confusion. So, again I am repeating from the beginning. First lines towards down, the arrow showing towards bottom. And when you're completely filled with the box 1, go to box 2, which is facing towards up. Ensure that you are filling completely. Don't jump in hurry. So I'm almost done with this box. So we'll go towards left direction. So here also same process, fill in completely, and after that we'll go to right direction and fill in completely. So right arrow, we are going to right direction. So I'm not much satisfied with the right direction, so I extended the box. So I'm repeating the process. So here my 4 boxes are almost ready. So again I'm showing the arrows towards right, towards left, up and down. So these 4 boxes play a crucial role. Okay, we are done with this video. And last thing, an important thing, make sure you are giving credits to your artwork. Write your name at the end. Let it be even a small artwork. Write your name. It will really motivate you a lot. Okay guys, if you feel these insights are helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you, and tap the bell icon to get new notifications.